Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where I am going to crochet it forward in this video by showing you a new border stitch. This might not be new to some of you, but it was new to me. I got the idea or the patterns from YouTube, and I'm just crocheting it forward. It is not my border stitch pattern. So what it is after you get done with any blanket, I've done a C2C here in pink. I am using Yarn Bee from Hobby Lobby, and it's Soft Secret Mist for this border, and it's a puff stitch border, but we do it sideways. It's really cute. So what I've done is I've made a single crochet border once I got done with my corner to corner portion, and what we do is we just after we single crochet, we're going to skip a stitch, and then we're going to make one double crochet. Okay, and then what we're going to do is work on the side of this and go underneath the double crochet to do our puff, and that's going to consist of 3 yarn overs. So we're going to pull up our yarn a little bit, yarn over, go in under that double crochet, pull up a loop, that's 1, yarn over, go under that double crochet, pull up a loop, that's 2, yarn over, go under that double crochet and pull up a loop. So this gives you 7 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through all of them, and then immediately in that next stitch we're going to single crochet. So it's kind of like a 3-stitch repeat. So you latch on, not latch on, or fasten on, I believe, any stitch, any of the single crochets on your border, and you start with the single crochet, you skip a single crochet, you make a double crochet, and then your puff stitches under that double crochet. So yarn over once, pull up our yarn, that's 3 on our hook, yarn over again, pull up our yarn, that's 5 on our hook, yarn over, pull up our yarn, and then that gives us 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we yarn over, go through all of them. Might have to wiggle your hook a little bit. And then immediately in that next single crochet, we're going to make a single crochet. Okay, I'll do it one more time slowly. Skip a single crochet, make a double crochet, okay, and then yarn over and then go under your double crochet 3 times. That's our second yarn over, our third yarn over, pull through all of them. Next stitch, single crochet. I'll do it again. Skip a stitch, double crochet in your next stitch, and then make the puff stitch, which consists of 3 yarn overs underneath that double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3. And then immediately in that next stitch, we're going to single crochet. So I'm going to finish this, and I'm going to take a picture of it and put it in the thumbnail. Again, this is not my pattern. I'm just adding it, and I'm just sharing it with my subscribers and my viewers. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and tag somebody, share, comment. I would love to hear from you. And together, let's continue to crochet it forward. Bye now.